The South Indian state of Kerala, a land of lush landscapes, backwaters, beaches, and Ayurveda. Popular among tourists across the globe as God's own country. Kerala is also called Keralam in Malayalam, which is the official language of the state. It is located on the Malabar coast of India and was formed in 1956. It consists of 14 districts and its capital city is Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala has the highest literacy rate at 96.2%, the highest life expectancy of 77.3 years. Kerala is also the least impoverished state in India. India's apex public policy think tank, Niti Aayog's multidimensional poverty index, put the headcount ratio for Kerala at 0.71%, the lowest among states in India. It is also known for Ayurveda, a traditional Indian system of medicine which is a player in increased medical tourism. Kerala is the first child-friendly state in the world. This rare achievement of Kerala was under the global initiative Baby Friendly Hospital Initiative sponsored by WHO UNICEF. After the first ever elections to the Kerala Legislative Assembly in 1957, the Communist Party of India emerged as the single largest party. EMS Namboodiripad formed the first elected government with the support of 5 independent legislators. The government was not able to complete its full 5-year term. However, leader Namboodiripad is the first communist leader in India to head a popularly elected left government. In Kerala, there are 2 main political parties and several smaller ones. The Communist Party of India, Marxist, and Indian National Congress are the 2 major parties. Other parties in the state are CPI, Kerala Congress, Muslim League, and Bharatiya Janata Party. Left Democratic Front and United Democratic Front are 2 main political alliances in Kerala. The LDF is led by the Communist Party of India, Marxist, and the UDF is led by the Indian National Congress. The Bharatiya Janata Party got their first seat in Kerala Legislative Assembly in 2016. The 2021 Kerala Legislative Assembly election was held in Kerala on 6th of April 2021 to elect 140 members to the 15th Kerala Legislative Assembly. The election saw the incumbent LDF retaining power with 99 seats, marking the first time that an alliance won consecutive terms in the state since 1977. The UDF won the remaining 41 seats, 6 less than in the previous election. The National Democratic Alliance received a dip in vote share and lost their lone seat. Pinaraya Vijayan won and became the first Chief Minister of Kerala to be re-elected after completing a full 5-year term in office. In the 2019 general elections, the Indian National Congress led United Progressive Alliance swept 19 out of 20 seats in the state. The Bharatiya Janata Party led National Democratic Alliance, which formed government at centre, couldn't win any seats but gathered around 15% of the vote share. In the current scenario, with 27.1 million electors in the state, political parties and the voters are looking forward to the upcoming general elections.